Welcome. If you want to scan QR codes with your camera application on Nokia G20, you have to open the settings and then you have to be sure that QR code option is enabled. We have to tap on this feature. Then you have to go for the normal photo mode and you have to grab your camera and then put the QR code on your rear camera. And as you can see here, we got information. We can open it like that. This one. As you can see, we can open it in browser when you tap on it, and it will be moved to the website from our camera application. Let's accept this stuff. As you can see, there it is, our QR code address. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.